Yo, what up, what up? It's very boring here in my room, so let's try to buy something useful outside. Ngita lara darig duol na Winmart. Yes, common market here in Vietnam is Winmart. Kasagara. Kay narito mga foods nga familiar sa Pinoy, mga Filipinos. Okay, yeah, so let's go. Yun. So actually, I'm staying here in the third floor of the building, and nakanindot sila dere kay naa sila yung elevator bisan tag 3-story house or room lang kadiha nag sila elevator dere. Mga balay dito sa taas sila elevator, which is good. So to pa ni bisan 6th floor lisod kayo mag agi pa ka sa hagdan. Let's close this right away. So yeah, the storm is already gone, but it's still drizzling here outside. So we are here. Sa kay Mayan, so I think we should get some beer. Yes, nice. So look what we have here. We have some Strongbow. This is 20 VND. 20 VND. Per can. Sa kay Mayan, and Strongbow lang. Yan lang ito. So okay, I have bought some snacks, drinks, pineapple juice, watermelon, and Lace. Beat the gin. Beat the gin. And that's it. Pauli na ta. And I think ako raman siguro isa lakaw-lakaw diri sa kuan street. Ay, bedre pa rin.